we made it out here. I got the planter folded up. Rumpel's taking that truck back to the farm. Dad's got the other fertilizer tender. He's going ahead of me to the next field. This next field is going to be very fun to get into. And by that, I mean not very fun at all. It's a tight squeeze. Alright guys, so we had a fertilizer hose that was busted, or it had got a hole in it, rubbed in it. And we had to go find some hose. So we got that fixed, and I'm finally getting going. My GoPro, I forgot to charge batteries, so I'm going to try to charge batteries. I couldn't film getting in here, but I'll film getting out. I'm going to let it charge here. So it won't be much filming here in this field, but I'm going to let it get charged up, and then we'll be good. So I'm going to get going. I should have enough fertilizer and seed to do this field, and then we're going to head out kind of on the other side of town. We're going to do field by the interstate. Alright guys, I got this field done here, and you guys have been charging for a little while. And I got one battery charged, I'm charging the other one now, and I'm going to show you trying to get out of here because this is really fun. Alright, well, you saw that fun. It was a lot harder getting in there than it was getting out. Anyways, so I'm gonna head that way, and we're gonna go through town, so might set up a time lapse, or maybe not, I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm actually on the other side of the interstate now. I already did that side over there. I went under the bridge. So we're going to get unfolded here, and we have this field over here to do. So we'll get to it. Kind of need two hands for this. I was going to show you. There we go. Oh, that'll work. probably gonna need to pick up some fertilizer here in a little bit, so I think Dad's gonna send somebody out here with some, because it looks like I maybe have like 400 gallon or so, so I'm gonna need some more. Maybe, I don't know, it'll be close. That's how we unfold it. Nothing to it. Now I gotta kick on the vacuums, hydraulic drives. I'm gonna select our fields. Map here, south side, okay, alright, and that's all good there. 41 acres over here. Alright, we need to put up our map. Our map settings, and then south side. There's our map there, then it'll show up in our background. So it looks like we're planting 26,000 here in the orange, and then 28 in the yellow. I don't think we're going to get any 30 unless it's down there in that very end by the creek. So I'll get started here. Alright, Dad's here, fertilizer time. Alright, another one knocked out. About 65 acres. Heading out. Gotta go under the interstate. It's kind of cool. Guys, I made it through town. That was awful. It was absolutely awful. The people are just so stupid. If you are on the road and you see a tractor coming, don't pull directly out in front of them. I had a guy pull out in front of me. He was probably 10 feet away from me, and I had to slam on the brakes and stop. And it's just like, we can't stop. I know we can't go as fast, but we cannot stop as fast as a car can. And I was going through intersections. I was trying to turn in the turning lane. I have people cutting in front of me into the turning lane, blocking off all of the other traffic at the light. It's just stay away. If you're on the road, you see a tractor coming, just stay away. If you get in a hurry, it's going to cause everybody else to have to slow down and stop. So just calm down, slow down, and wait. Okay, we're pulling out of that field. I got that done. That was a pain because that field is so small. This planter is so big. But we're out on the road now, and I think we're going to meet up with Cody and Jacob. They're coming through town also, so we can meet up and make it easier for us to go down the road. Just makes it easier when we're all there at the same time. And yeah, so we're going to meet up here downtown, both coming down the hill opposite sides. So we got us a convoy going here. Alright, I better get moving. They're going to get mad. I'm falling behind. Alright, I got up here to the next field. We had us a nice little convoy. And then I ended up going the wrong way because I remembered I can't make a turn on coming in from that end of the road. So I had to go around and come in from this end here. I got this little field here behind us done. So I got to go back here and shuffle some seed. And then we're going to go over here across the road. And then Dad's going to be back up here in a minute with some fertilizer because, as you can see, we are about out. So, you get out there and shuffle some seed over because I think the one tank has more than the other. So, we'll get as much out of there as we can because that's a different hybrid, and we're going to be switching off of that hybrid whenever we run out. Well, it looks like my bag stayed on, which is good. The bungee straps there just so I can have reassurance, I guess. I don't know. See, that's the low one. Dang. Yep, we're gonna get some out of there and put it over there with our handy little scoop and bucket. Okay, now Dad's here to load fertilizer. Timed that pretty good. Full. I went in, threw those other bags in there to do this field over here now that it's all evened out. So he put me about half full with fertilizer. Kids are driving by filming me. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna get across the road here and get this done. Alright, over here in this field, back on the back and forth. Only got a few acres in this field, not a very big one, but knocking it out. Hopefully I have enough seed. I think I will, and I should have enough fertilizer. So let's see how many acres we got left. Yeah, 9.15. I think I got somebody spying on me because there's this little Ford, I don't know, whatever you call it, little car, keeps driving by and like turning around and stopping and watching me. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, it's a little bit of entertainment. Cody and Jacob are over there, past that line of trees. You probably can't see, but that's where they're at over there. We're gonna be taking the planter over there in a minute whenever I get finished here. Call it early tonight. It's 9:12, so call it a little bit early tonight and get started early in the morning, hopefully. Which, you know how that goes. We can't get in the field until 10 o'clock, but anyways, keep going back and forth here, and I'll get back with you whenever something interesting happens, which hopefully doesn't happen because I want to get done, and I'll get back with you whenever we get over there and get the planter parked. Alright guys, made it over here, folded up. There's their planters over there. They took the sprayer over to a different farm, and they're coming back to get me, so sit here and let this cool down for a minute and wait for them. So I guess I'm gonna end this video right here because I think I've got a lot filmed. I don't know. If I don't, I'll keep adding some more, but I think I'll make a new video tomorrow. So thank you for watching. We are close to 700 subscribers if we aren't already there by now. So if you can hit the subscribe button, please do. Hopefully we can get to maybe 1,000 by summer or end of summer, sometime in there. I'd like to get up to 1,000. So if you can, hit the subscribe button. It's free. So all you gotta have is an account. So hit the like button, subscribe button, leave me a comment while you're down there. I like reading the comments, so give me one. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.